Today we're riding bikes.
So today we're going for a bike ride. We're taking the gravel bikes out, me and Phil and a couple of the guys at the shop, and we're gonna go for a ride to the beach. I'm on my way to the shop now, but first things first, let's get coffee. Going to Dunkin's.
How can I get for you?
Hi there, can I get 2 sausage, egg and cheese, pancake wake-up wraps, and a medium cold brew, black please. Thank you.
Would you like the receipt?
Nah.
Have a great day.
Thank you, have a good one. So we're at the shop and I'm getting ready in the kaya. This is really nice to have this table here because I can just toss my gloves and my jacket, my buff and all that right here. Put my hat on. We're gonna go for a ride today. Should be fun.
I've worked at Riverside Cycle for the last 10 years. I love gravel riding because it can take you anywhere. Today we have some friends meeting us here at the shop. We're going to be doing a gravel ride out to Sandy Point, out to the beach.
So we had some snow over the weekend, and then 2 days later we had rain, and then 2 days ago we had more rain. So Plum Island is flooding, and actually there was a couple of times during high tide this week where the roads were actually closed, so people couldn't come and go. There were people stranded on mainland for hours before they could get back home. So it's been a pretty wild week, and now we're dealing with some serious headwinds and some probably really cold water.
Brian.
Ben.
Hi.
Hi.
I dropped my water bottle and it's really windy out and I got dropped.
Okay.
Now we're paying to get into the reserve here. We're gonna head down Sandy Point.
I left my hometown streets when I turned 18. With nothing to my name but some hopes and dreams. My mama says, son, please take care of yourself. I love you, I miss you, and I'll always be here.
So we're at Sandy Point and it's real windy. We were gonna have a beer on the beach out here, but I think instead we're just gonna go in the kaya. All right, let's see how many people we can fit.
Can we do the small people first or last?
I think small people, I don't know. It's kind of a mess in here, guys, sorry.
Yeah, if we can fold this down, people can sit up there.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Here,
Oh,
hold
that's
it.
true, yeah.
They're short. They can sit
That's a great idea.
down here. Get up there.
Yeah, it's pretty rugged.
All right. Here we go.
Do you have your little stool?
I have multiple stools actually. Here,
You gotta pop up in that corner there.
who needs a stool?
Oh yeah, Chris, get up there.
Can you get up there?
Fletch, thanks for driving.
G and Boost.
How much Lycra can fit into a
I think
single
at least one or
kayak?
two more.
I don't know what the record is right now, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in the kaya, and we're comfortably in here.
Oh yeah, this is great. you say? I don't know if my knees can
beer
handle a whole
o'clock.
beer here, but
I'm
we'll figure
good.
it out. Yeah, you're good because now you have a Bud Light in your hands. You're 2 people the other way, maybe 5.
We alternate.
Bringing the truck here was the best idea I ever had.
Oh, we're really starting to marinate. Well, nobody's in the cargo net, so we could fill that up. Yeah, my head.
This is definitely meant to support the weight of a whole
So
human.
wait, how does this become a bed?
That thing
this
folds
folds
down.
Ah, I see. Oh, so you get
That's
up
the
on
question
here
you
and
ask as
fold-
there are people walking over.
Yes, it is.
You want to see how many of us can lie down up top?
Need a little more.
Rob, you looked up the wind report, right? What was the wind out there?
We had wind 20 miles an hour from the southwest, gusts up to 42.
Anything good
It'll
going
be-
on?
Yeah, it's gonna be cold.
I'm gonna turn the heat on real high in the truck and leave the windows open because it's New England.
I don't care.
Are you enjoying the fireplace, Fletch?
I am. If I could reach beyond my zipper.
What would you describe the smell in here?
Gym bag. Gym bag meets direct sunlight in the back of someone's car all summer.
Even though it smells like a gym bag in here, I don't want to get out. It's cold outside.
It's true. That fire is looking really inviting.
Rob, are you trying to escape?
Yep.
Say goodbye to your ankles.
I was gonna say jumping and oh no!
Oh no, he's over there. You guys ready? Oh, it's...
Pizza time.
It's so hot. It's so hot. There are a few things after a ride quite as good as a slice of pizza. Home beer